Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get restaurant style brown rice in your Instapot. You only need 2 ingredients. Let's go. You'll need equal parts water to equal parts rice. I'm using 3 cups because I like to meal prep. So 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. Rinse off your rice, add this to your Instapot, and then add in your water. Optional, I'm adding about a tablespoon of ghee and about a tablespoon of beef bouillon or chicken bouillon. You don't need to do this. I just like the flavor. Add on your lid. Make sure your venting is in the sealing position and just press the pressure button. Your pressure should be on high and it should be cooking for 20 minutes. My machine does it automatically for me. After 20 minutes, it'll go off and it'll start heating. I just made sure that the venting button was on the venting position before I opened the lid because nobody wants to get burned here. Using a fork, fluff out your rice. It should look like mine does here. There shouldn't be any water at the bottom, and just like that, you have perfectly cooked rice, because who doesn't want perfectly cooked rice? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.